daughter of former President Rodrigo Duterte. My family and I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude for the unwavering support and solidarity you have shown during this dark time. You have never failed to remind us, time and again, of the pride we carry as Dabuenos. I kindly ask for your continuous prayers for my father, our Tatay's health, since he is not being administered his medication as of the moment. As all of you have seen, he was forcibly taken and sent to The Hague to face trial before the ICC. What kind of government do we have where it does not protect its own citizens, let alone its sovereign people? This is oppression and persecution. Now is not the time to be silent. Now is the time to let our voices be heard throughout the world. Free former President Rodrigo Duterte. We have no time for tears, only faith and the will to fight for what is just. I ask everyone to